All right, evaluate the function for the given value of x. So we've got three different piecewise functions, and this first row just deals with the function f. So function f is actually pretty easy, right? It could either be 3 or 2. Those are the only two possibilities that this function could equal, and that's based on the domain. If x is less than or equal to 0, it's equal to 3. If x is greater than 0, it's equal to 2. So f of 2 means x is equal to 2. 2 is greater than 0, so that'll just be 2. Negative 4 is less than or equal to 0, so that'll be equal to 3. F of 0, that's right at 0. So when x is equal to 0, we choose the top piece, so that's equal to 3. F of 1/2, when x is equal to 1/2, that means it's greater than 0, so that'll be equal to 2. So that one was pretty easy. The other one's a little bit more work than that. All right, 18, g of 7. All right, when g is equal to, is less than or equal to 3, we use this function, x plus 5. When it's greater than 3, we use this function. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through, and every time I see x is less than or equal to 3, I'm going to put an x plus 5 there. So here I'm putting x plus 5, here I'll put an x plus 5, and here I'll put an x plus 5. All right, 3 is equal to 3, so all of these functions will use the x plus 5 as their piecewise function. This one is the only one above 3, so this will be 2x minus 1. All right, then it just becomes a matter of plugging numbers in. Plug in 7, plug in 0, plug in negative 1, plug in 3. And then just simplify. 14 minus 1 is equal to 13, is equal to 5, equal to 4, equal to 8. All right, lastly 22. All right, so here my function is defined by if x is less than or equal to negative 2, we use the function 1/2 x minus 4. So I'm going to find every x value that's less than or equal to negative 2. So negative 4 is less than or equal to negative 2, so I'm going to put a 1/2 x minus 4. This is less than or equal to negative 2, so I'll put 1/2 x minus 4. Negative 1 is greater than negative 2. 6 is greater than negative 2. So those two functions are going to use 3 minus 2x. All right, now we just substitute. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. 1/2 times negative 2 minus 4. Half of negative 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. All right, 3 minus 2 times negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 minus 2 times 6. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. 3 minus 12 is negative 9.